Korean skincare, or K-beauty, is everywhere right now. Think glass-like, glowing skin routines all over your feed. From TikTok tutorials to Instagram influencers, it seems like everyone is obsessed with achieving that dewy, luminous look. But what's really behind the buzz, and why has K-beauty become such a global phenomenon? It's not just about piling on products, it's a philosophy focused on nourishing and protecting your skin for the long haul. K-beauty routines are rooted in self-care and gentle, consistent maintenance, rather than quick fixes or harsh treatments. The idea is to treat your skin with respect, using products that work in harmony with your natural skin barrier. Instead of covering up issues, K-beauty is all about prevention and building a healthy skin barrier. This means focusing on hydration, soothing ingredients, and regular care to keep your skin resilient and glowing over time. It's a proactive approach, aiming to stop problems before they start. The innovation is wild. Snail mucin, bee venom, fermented rice water, ingredients you won't find anywhere else, all designed for gentle, effective results. Korean brands are constantly pushing boundaries, researching new natural extracts and high-tech formulas that deliver real benefits without irritation. Behind every bottle is a blend of tradition and cutting-edge science. Many K-beauty products are inspired by centuries-old remedies, but they're also backed by modern research and rigorous testing. This unique combination is what sets K-beauty apart from other skincare trends. Lightweight, hydrating layers are the secret, not harsh, stripping formulas. Instead of overwhelming your skin, each step is designed to add a little more moisture, nourishment, or protection, building up to a healthy, radiant complexion. The famous 10-step routine? It's really about turning skincare into a relaxing ritual, a few mindful minutes for yourself each day. Whether you do 3 steps or 10, the focus is on enjoying the process and making it a moment of self-care, not a chore. This approach encourages you to listen to your skin and adjust as needed, not just repeat the same steps blindly. Your skin's needs can change with the seasons, your environment, or even your mood, and K-beauty is all about being flexible and responsive. And the results? That luminous, hydrated glass skin look comes from layers of hydration and nourishing ingredients. It's not about masking imperfections, but about revealing your skin's natural radiance and health. It's not about perfection, but about healthy, resilient skin that glows from within. Confidence comes from knowing your skin is cared for, not just covered up. K-beauty's holistic self-care focus is a refreshing change from aggressive routines of the past. It's about slowing down, being gentle, and making skincare a joyful part of your day. The global hype is real because the results are real. Skin that looks and feels better, not just covered up. People everywhere are seeing visible improvements, and that's what keeps them coming back. It's a movement that's changing how we think about skincare. No wonder everyone's obsessed. K-beauty is more than a trend. It's a new way to care for yourself and your skin, and it's inspiring people all over the world to rethink their routines. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. Get ready to discover the secrets behind the K-beauty craze and how you can bring a little bit of that glow into your own routine. To start my K-beauty journey, I shopped at Stylevana for their huge selection and great prices. I wanted viral products with proven ingredients for my skin concerns. Think niacinamide, propolis, and hyaluronic acid. After researching reviews and ingredients, I picked the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun, COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin Essence, and Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. Each has a cult following and promises hydration, soothing, and glow. Choosing these wasn't just about trends. I wanted products that matched my skin's needs. Building my routine this way felt smart and intentional. I couldn't wait to see if the hype was real. Before K-beauty, my skin was a mess. Combination, dehydrated, and sensitive. My T-zone was oily, but my cheeks were dry and flaky, making it impossible to find products that worked everywhere. Redness and irritation were constant, and my skin always looked dull and uneven. I felt stuck using the same safe products that never really improved anything. My main goals: balance oil and dryness, calm redness, and bring back a healthy glow. I wanted to see if gentle, hydrating K-beauty could finally make a difference. I took before photos ready to track any changes. Skeptical but hopeful, I started my experiment. Could these viral products really reset my skin? Here's how I used my new routine. It was a game changer for my skin, and I can't wait to share the details with you. Morning started with the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Gentle, non-stripping, and perfect for sensitive skin. This cleanser set the tone for the day, leaving my skin feeling fresh and balanced. Next, I'd pat in the CoSRX Snail Mucin Essence for deep hydration and barrier repair. This essence is a powerhouse, providing my skin with the moisture it craves. Then a few drops of Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, packed with propolis and niacinamide for calming redness and boosting radiance. This serum was a true multitasker, addressing multiple skin concerns at once. The final step, Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun. Lightweight, no white cast, and feels like a moisturizer. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, and this one made it easy to stay protected. At night, I'd double cleanse if I wore makeup, then repeat the same steps, minus sunscreen, finishing with a simple moisturizer. Double cleansing ensured my skin was thoroughly clean and ready to absorb the nighttime products. The focus was always on gentle hydration and layering, not overloading my skin. Each product had a purpose and worked in harmony with the others. This routine was easy to stick to and felt like self-care, not a chore. Consistency was key. Taking a few minutes each day to care for my skin became a ritual I looked forward to. I kept it simple, listened to my skin, and adjusted as needed. Flexibility allowed me to respond to my skin's changing needs. No complicated steps, just effective basics. This minimalist approach ensured I wasn't overwhelming my skin with too many products. The results? Let's get into that next. Here's what happened. Stay tuned to see the transformation and the impact of this routine on my skin. Week 1 was all about adjustment. No overnight miracles, but my skin felt instantly more hydrated and comfortable. No irritation or breakouts, which was huge for my sensitive skin. By week 2, redness was noticeably calmer and my skin felt smoother and softer. The rough texture and blotchiness started to fade. By week 3, I saw a real glow. My skin looked dewy, balanced, and healthy. My T-zone was less oily, cheeks were hydrated, and my pores looked smaller. I even started wearing less makeup because I felt more confident. After a month, the transformation was undeniable. Brighter, clearer, and resilient skin. Comparing before and after photos was shocking. The routine delivered real, visible results. Gentle, consistent care made all the difference. I finally understood the K-beauty hype. My skin had never looked better. Let's break down the star ingredients that make these products so effective and beloved. Each one is carefully chosen, not just for tradition, but for proven results. Snail mucin in the CoSRX essence is packed with hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and allantoin, hydrating, soothing, and repairing. This unique ingredient helps lock in moisture, plump up the skin, and speed up recovery from irritation or blemishes. It's a powerhouse for anyone looking to restore their skin's natural barrier. It's gentle and great for sensitive or damaged skin, making it a go-to for those who want results without harshness. Even if your skin is easily irritated, snail mucin can help calm and comfort. Propolis in the Glow Serum is naturally anti-inflammatory and rich in antioxidants, perfect for calming redness and protecting against environmental stress. Sourced from bees, propolis has been used for centuries to heal and defend the skin, and modern science confirms its ability to soothe and shield. Niacinamide, also in the serum, is a multitasker, minimizes pores, evens tone, and strengthens the skin barrier. It's known to reduce inflammation, fade dark spots, and improve overall texture, making it a favorite among dermatologists and skincare enthusiasts alike. It helps regulate oil and boosts radiance, so your skin looks balanced and luminous all day long. With regular use, you'll notice a visible transformation in clarity and glow. Rice extract in the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen is brightening and moisturizing, used for generations in Asian skincare. It's rich in amino acids and vitamins, helping to soften and illuminate the complexion while providing gentle hydration. Paired with probiotics, it supports a healthy skin microbiome and protects while nourishing. Probiotics help balance the skin's ecosystem, making it more resilient to pollution and daily stressors. These ingredients aren't just trendy, they're backed by science and tradition. Each one is supported by research and centuries of use, blending the best of nature and innovation. That's the heart of K-beauty. Innovative, gentle, effective. It's about smart choices, not just following fads and always putting skin health first. The results speak for themselves. With consistent use, you'll see smoother, brighter, and healthier skin that truly glows from within. It's not magic, it's smart formulation. That's why it works, and why these products have earned their place in routines around the world. New to K-beauty, here's what I wish I knew. You don't need all 10 steps. Start simple: cleanser, hydrating essence or toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Add serums as you get comfortable. Patch test everything, especially if you have sensitive skin. Apply a small amount to your inner arm or behind your ear and wait 24-48 hours. Learn about ingredients, not just brands. Know what hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides do. This helps you pick what's right for your skin, not just what's trending. Be patient and consistent. Real results take at least a month. Take progress photos to track subtle changes. Consistency is the real secret. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Don't give up too soon. Your glow is coming. Time for the honest review. The beauty of Joseon Relief Sun is hands down the best sunscreen I've ever used. Lightweight, hydrating, and no white cast. The Glow Serum was a game changer for calming redness and boosting radiance. Propolis and niacinamide made my skin glow without irritation. The CoSRX Snail Mucin Essence was super hydrating and soothing, though the texture takes getting used to. It worked, but I might try a different essence next time. The CoSRX Cleanser was gentle and reliable. Nothing flashy, but a solid staple. No real duds in this lineup, every product delivered. The quality for the price was impressive. Even the products I was unsure about were effective. Overall, these viral picks lived up to the hype. I'd repurchase most of them in a heartbeat. K-Beauty really does deliver. After a month, my skin was transformed, calm, hydrated, and glowing. The routine addressed all my concerns: balance, redness, and dullness. Gentle hydration and barrier repair were the keys. Would I recommend these products? Absolutely, especially for combination-sensitive skin. The CoSRX Cleanser, Snail Mucin, Glow Serum, and Beauty of Joseon Sunscreen worked in perfect harmony. K-Beauty isn't just hype. It's a smart, effective approach to skin health. It's about respecting your skin, not attacking it. This journey changed my perspective on skincare. Kindness and consistency gave me the best results. I'm now a K-Beauty convert. If you're curious, start small and focus on nourishing ingredients. Your skin will thank you. The glow is real, and I'm never looking back.